Welcome to our channel. Today we're embarking on a breathtaking journey across Europe to explore 10 of the newest UNESCO World Heritage Sites. These remarkable places are not just stunning to behold but also rich in history and culture. From architectural marvels to natural wonders, each site offers a unique glimpse into the soul of Europe. Let's dive in. Our journey begins in Scotland, a land of rugged beauty and rich history. Here on the Firth of Forth stands a testament to human ingenuity, the Forth Bridge. Completed in 1890, this iconic railway bridge is a marvel of Victorian engineering. Its massive cantilever design, a network of steel beams and trusses, was a groundbreaking feat at the time. The bridge's distinctive red color, achieved with 50,000 gallons of paint, stands out against the dramatic backdrop of the Scottish landscape. But the Forth Bridge is more than just a pretty picture. It remains a vital transport link, carrying passengers and freight across the Firth each day. As trains rumble across its tracks, one can't help but feel a sense of awe at the ingenuity and craftsmanship of those who built it over a century ago. The Forth Bridge is a testament to the enduring power of human innovation and a symbol of Scotland's industrial heritage. We now journey to the heart of Andalusia, Spain, to the city of Granada. Here, nestled against the backdrop of the Sierra Nevada mountains, lies a testament to a rich and complex history, the Alhambra. This palatial complex, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a captivating blend of Islamic art and architecture. The Alhambra was once the seat of the Nasrid dynasty, the last Muslim rulers of Spain. It was within these walls that art, culture, and scholarship flourished. As we wander through the Alhambra's courtyards, we are transported back in time. The delicate beauty of the Court of the Lions, with its intricate carvings and bubbling fountain, whispers tales of a bygone era. The Generalife, the Summer Palace, offers breathtaking views of the city below and a sense of tranquility amidst the grandeur. The Albayzin, the ancient Moorish quarter that flanks the Alhambra, adds another layer to this historical tapestry. Its narrow, winding streets and whitewashed houses evoke a sense of timelessness. The Alhambra is more than just a collection of buildings. It's a living testament to a vibrant cultural heritage. Our travels now take us to a time when leisurely pursuits and the pursuit of wellness were paramount, the era of the great European spa towns. These towns, scattered across Europe, blossomed in the 18th and 19th centuries, attracting royalty, aristocracy, and intellectuals alike. Imagine strolling through elegant colonnades, the air filled with the murmur of conversations in a multitude of languages. The great spa towns were not just places of healing but also centers of social and cultural exchange. From Baden-Baden in Germany, renowned for its thermal baths and casinos, to Karlovy Vary in the Czech Republic, famed for its mineral springs and elegant architecture, each town boasts a unique character and charm. The grand hotels, concert halls, and theaters stand as testaments to a bygone era of elegance and grandeur. But the true treasures of these towns lie in their natural springs, believed since Roman times to possess therapeutic properties. Today, these spa towns continue to attract visitors seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, offering a glimpse into a fascinating chapter of European history and a chance to experience the healing power of nature. Chapter 4. Ferto Nusiedlersi, a tapestry of nature and culture. Our journey takes us now to a land where borders blur and nature knows no boundaries. The Ferto Nusiedlersi cultural landscape shared by Austria and Hungary. This remarkable region, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a testament to the harmonious coexistence of humans and nature. Picture a mosaic of landscapes, shimmering salt lakes, rolling vineyards, and traditional villages, all bathed in the warm glow of the sun. This is Ferto Nusiedlersi, a haven for biodiversity and a testament to centuries of sustainable land management practices. The shallow, alkaline lake, known as the Sea of Reeds, teems with life, attracting a dazzling array of birdlife, from majestic white-tailed eagles to colorful kingfishers. The surrounding landscape, shaped by centuries of agricultural practices, is equally captivating. Vineyards, heavy with grapes, promise a taste of the region's renowned wines, while traditional villages offer a glimpse into a slower pace of life. Ferto Nusiedlersi is a reminder that humans can be stewards of the environment, creating landscapes that are both beautiful and productive. Chapter 5. Oporto, a city of soul. We venture to Oporto, Portugal, a city that captivates the senses with its vibrant energy and rich history. Perched on the Douro River, Oporto is a city of contrasts, where ancient alleyways meet grand avenues. The heart of Oporto, its historic center, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. No visit to Oporto is complete without experiencing the iconic Dom Luislin Bridge, and savoring a glass of port wine, aged to perfection in the cellars that dot the city. Oporto seduces the soul, inviting you to linger in its cafes and soak up its unique atmosphere. Chapter 6. The Causes and the Cevennes, a Symphony of Nature. Our journey takes us to France, where towering cliffs meet verdant valleys and ancient traditions mingle with the sounds of nature. This UNESCO World Heritage Site showcases the enduring relationship between humans and nature. Vast limestone plateaus, known as causes, interspersed with deep gorges and valleys. The Cevennes Mountains rise dramatically, their slopes cloaked in forests and crisscrossed by rivers. This is a land of stark beauty where nature reigns supreme. Shaped by pastoral traditions, shepherds roam these hills, their ancient roots etched into the landscape. The production of Roquefort cheese is part of its heritage. The Causes and the Cevennes offer a sanctuary for those seeking to reconnect with nature. Chapter 7. Gaudi's Barcelona, an architectural wonderland. Our exploration now takes us to the vibrant city of Barcelona, Spain, a city renowned for its art, architecture, and cosmopolitan spirit. But Barcelona is more than just a beautiful city. It's a canvas upon which Antoni Gaudi, the visionary architect, painted his dreams. Gaudi's masterpieces, scattered throughout Barcelona, are unlike anything you've ever seen. They are a celebration of nature, a fusion of art and architecture that defies convention. His most iconic work, the Sagrada Familia, is a testament to his boundless imagination. This awe-inspiring basilica, still under construction over a century after Gaudi's death, is a symphony of soaring towers, intricate facades, and colorful mosaics. But Gaudi's genius extends far beyond the Sagrada Familia. Park Güell, with its whimsical benches, mosaic-covered salamander, and gingerbread-like houses, is a whimsical escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Casa Batlló, with its undulating facade and bone-like columns, is a masterpiece of Art Nouveau architecture. Gaudi's Barcelona is a testament to the power of imagination and a reminder that art can transform the world around us. Our journey now takes us deep into the heart of France, to the Vézère Valley, a place where time seems to stand still. Here, hidden within limestone cliffs and caves, lies a treasure trove of prehistoric art, the Lascaux cave paintings. Imagine stepping back in time 17,000 years, to a time when woolly mammoths roamed the earth and humans sought refuge in caves. The walls of Lascaux Cave are adorned with hundreds of paintings depicting animals such as horses, bison, and deer, as well as abstract symbols. These paintings, created using pigments made from natural materials, are not just aesthetically stunning, but offer a glimpse into the minds of our prehistoric ancestors. They tell stories of hunts, rituals, and the natural world that surrounded them. While the original Lascaux Cave is now closed to the public to preserve its fragile paintings, a replica cave, Lascaux II, allows visitors to experience the magic of these ancient masterpieces. The Vézère Valley is a testament to the enduring power of art, and a reminder that even in the darkest of times, humans have always sought to express themselves and connect with the world around them. Our adventure now takes us to the edge of the continent, to the Wadden Sea, a natural wonder shared by Denmark, Germany, and the Netherlands. This vast intertidal zone, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. Imagine a landscape in constant flux, vast mudflats exposed at low tide, teeming with life, only to be swallowed up by the sea just hours later. The Wadden Sea is a dynamic ecosystem, home to a staggering array of plant and animal life. Millions of migratory birds, from tiny sandpipers to majestic geese, rely on the Wadden Sea as a vital stopover point on their long journeys. Seals bask on sandbanks, their calls echoing across the water. The mudflats themselves teem with life crabs scuttling sideways, worms burrowing through the mud, and mussels clinging to the sand. The Wadden Sea is a reminder that nature is constantly changing, adapting, and evolving. It's a place where you can witness the raw power of the tides and the delicate balance of life in an ever-changing environment. Our final destination takes us to the German coast, to the Wadden Sea, where we encounter a different kind of heritage, one shaped by human ingenuity and industry. The industrial heritage of the Wadden Sea, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, tells the story of how humans have transformed this unique landscape. Imagine a landscape shaped by both nature and industry. Vast tidal flats, crisscrossed by dikes and canals, dotted with windmills and pumping stations. This is the Wadden Sea, a testament to the enduring human spirit and the ability to adapt to even the most challenging environments. For centuries, people have lived and worked on the edge of the Wadden Sea, harnessing its resources and adapting to its rhythms. The industrial heritage of the Wadden Sea reflects this ongoing relationship between humans and their environment. From the traditional methods of salt extraction to the development of coastal defenses, the Wadden Sea bears witness to human ingenuity and the constant struggle to live in harmony with nature. The industrial heritage of the Wadden Sea is a reminder that even in the face of industrialization, it's possible to find a balance between human needs and the preservation of our planet's treasures. As our journey through Europe's newest UNESCO World Heritage Sites comes to an end, we are left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. From architectural marvels to natural wonders, these 10 sites highlight the rich tapestry of European heritage. They remind us of the power of human creativity, the importance of preserving our planet's treasures, and the interconnectedness of all living things. Which UNESCO site are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures around the world.